Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Up to Date. I'm your host Michael. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the parallel dimension. Most of the people think when they heard this word, they think that this word is from a science fiction movie. Then, you think this wrong. Most of this movie use this word for the viewers to understand. The point is, this is not just a word, a meaning, or a theory. Well, this is a theory, but none of this count. This event can happen in real life. We can connect to another dimension if we know how it works. Well, we'll start with the dimensions. The dimensions are the direct replica of us peoples. We think we are all alone in this universe, but the truth is there are universes that thinks the same. Well, in the parallel dimension, everything are the same, like the same earth that we live in, the same country, the same people, the same body and the same destiny that we share, and they are all around us. But we can't see them, and they can see us too. So now, I'm gonna be telling the way to connect and know where they are. So the way is gonna sound crazy, but this is the only way to connect with them. Before that, I'm gonna be sharing you guys a little fact. Most of the people think that a ghost is real and scary, but they are wrong. Yes, ghosts are real, but they are actually spirits that is off to their new life. They just have unfinished business. So let's get back to the main objective. To connect to another dimension, you gotta open a portal. Well, I will explain this with a picture. This is our dimension. This is us, but this is still us, but from another dimension. This is the wall that separates us and not let us see each other. If we create a portal, a hole in this wall, we can connect to another dimension, and their dimension can connect to our dimension too. So, to create a portal, you need to make a hole in the wall that separates us. We need a high magnet that can emit enough force to interfere the frequency. In that case, this will generate a portal. You can try this, but try at your own risk. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and turn the notification button to always keep yourself up to date. See you guys on another video. Peace out.